What are stereogram exercises? Stereogram exercises are eye exercises that can help to improve symptoms such as double vision and headaches caused when the two eyes are not working together correctly, means convergence insufficiency. A stereogram is two incomplete images which can be joined into one complete image. What are the symptoms of convergence insufficiency? You are most likely to notice symptoms of convergence insufficiency when you do close visual work, such as reading. Symptoms are even more likely if you do this for a long period of time. Extreme tiredness also can bring on symptoms. Possible symptoms include headache, double vision, eye fatigue, blurred vision, sleepiness when reading, needing to reread things a few times, trouble concentrating on what you are reading, often losing your place when reading, words seems to move, jump or float on the page, motion sickness or vertigo. Example of a stereogram. An example of stereogram is shown here. There are other available including a snowman, a bucket and interlocking rings with letters. Your optometrist will give you the most appropriate card. How to do the exercise? Hold the CAD card at arm's length at the same level as your eye. Then hold a pen halfway between the card and your face. Look at the top of the pencil and concentrate on it. It should appear as a single image. The CAD behind the pen will then look like they are moving apart. The aim is for you to be able to see the third CAD behind the pen while still looking at the pen. The third CAD should look like this. The middle CAD should be complete. When you first doing this exercise, the middle CAD might appear blurred, but if you keep doing this exercise, the CAD should become clear. If you become very good at this exercise, you may be asked to do the exercise without using the pen. This means you will need to look at an imaginary point in front of the CAD so you can see the complete CAD. After doing the exercise, it is important that you relax your eyes by looking into a distance or by closing them for a minute or so. When you start this exercise, you may feel increased eye strain and get headaches, but try not to be put off. How often should I do the exercises? To begin with, do this exercise for 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening at a time when you are relatively fresh. Gradually increase the duration of the exercise to 15 minutes. Do it regularly for 2 months, after which once a day exercise for 5 minutes is sufficient to maintain good convergence of the eyes. It is normal to feel slightly more strain, pain in the eyes and even headache for a few days when you begin convergence exercises. Rest assured that gradually you will recover and your symptoms due to convergence insufficiency will soon be better. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.